So the Galaxy lineup has been rumored to have been leaked for next year. And it starts off with a very interesting Galaxy S25 Slim. Not what I expected, to be honest, going into this, but okay. A slim variant of the Galaxy S25. Now, we already know there's going to be a Galaxy S25, regular, plus, ultra. We've already seen all the images of those devices. But something new is going to be a slim variant. As I said, this lineup that is more or less confirmed to be released next year. A slim variant. Now, we know Samsung is going crazy off trying to make as thin phones as humanly possible. They want to make, every phone they have pretty much in their repertoire to be as thin as humanly possible. So I guess this does kind of make sense. Next one is the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. So this is something that we've talked about many times. Samsung themselves have confirmed they're not going to be releasing a Fan Edition or a cheaper variant of the Z Fold 7. But there is rumors that they would be looking toward the Motorola route and go with a cheaper variant of the Z Flip series. So kind of how Motorola does their series, where they have a $1,000 phone every year, and then they have a $600, $700, $699 phone every year that they release. So this is kind of the same concept. Instead of releasing, just one variant of the Z Flip series, you get two, and again, one of them is more of an affordable variant. If you are new to the Fan Edition variants of Samsung, pretty much what they are is they take the best features from the flagship model, so the most expensive model, and then they give you those in a cheaper body and a cheaper chassis, and just a little other features taken out too, maybe not as upgraded as a processor unit. So instead of getting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, you might get a Gen 1 processor, but you get some other features you would love out of the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, right? Or it could be the Z Flip 6 Fan Edition as well. I mean, it's very possible either or. They could just re-release the Fan Edition or the Z Flip 6, but a cheaper variant and a more affordable variant. That's kind of how they usually do it, but who knows with Samsung, they're trying to be innovative. Remember that. They're trying to innovate. They apologize for their lack of innovation, so I automatically assume, they're probably going to really try to go crazy with this, right? We got Z Fold 7 additional lineup. We do know there's going to be a Z Fold 7. There's going to be a Z Fold 7 Special Edition, kind of how this year was with the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. It's going to be released only in China. It's not going to be available in America. It's going to be impossible to get, all that kind of good stuff as always. So, yeah, I'm excited. Listen, I am excited for all this. As always, I pick up like every one of these phones anyway, every single year for the channel. We review all these phones, and to be honest, it's going to be interesting, but let's just rock and roll and see how it goes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.